It's just how do we understand money? The capitalists and the purpose-centered or the consciousness types who are really looking at the meaning of life. The conflict arises if you think that money is material and material is somehow bad, and then spiritual and spirit is somehow good and virtuous, and therefore good people avoid money. And this is both Western and Eastern. If you think about it, the monks who go around with their begging bowls, like, we don't touch money, money is evil, and the Christians who believe in poverty, basically, they make it look very, very risky to be rich, because you're not going to get into heaven that way. It's very clear. And so we get this conflict inside ourselves, because you have to make money in this world, even to look after your family, which is your primary responsibility, really, and very creative activity. You can't do that without money. So you either go the money way and say, oh, I'm just going to shovel the guilt somewhere, or you go the purpose way and you get in complete denial of money and you're broke usually, and that doesn't work. So I feel it's essential that we unite the material and the spiritual, that consciousness is like the application of wisdom, if you like, to make decisions that affect the material world. And then we can unite, we can bring these two together, and we can have a peaceful relationship with money. Then we can do good business, we can be conscious, we can explore the meaning of life, and it all comes together into one story.